Business intelligence is a process that organizations implement to make better business decisions. BI transforms data into useful and actionable information that helps in your decision-making process. There are lots of steps that are required in implementing business intelligence. Ensuring data quality can improve the quality of decisions. Data quality refers to ensuring data consistency, like fixing typos. Organizations have various applications in place, like CRM, ERP, etc. All these applications store data in various formats, like SQL, Oracle, Access, DB2, etc. Data warehousing is the consolidation of data coming from various data sources. Data in data warehouses is usually stored as a star schema or snowflake schema. Data warehouses are complex and huge. For improving performance in these huge and complex data warehouses, we usually pre-process them by creating OLAP data models. Data models kill two birds with one stone by improving the performance and by simplifying it so it can be consumed by power users, and that's also known as self-service BI. The final step in BI process is to visualize data in the form of reports, and based on these reports, we can make decisions. For implementing BI processes, we need appropriate tools and services. Microsoft offers a huge variety of tools for implementing BI, like SQL Server 2012, SharePoint 2013, MS Office 2013, Windows Azure, and Office 365. Some of these tools and services are appropriate for technical developers, whereas others are meant for power users. SQL Server offers integration with Apache Hadoop via SQL Server Parallel Data Warehouse. Parallel Data Warehouse allows querying a heterogeneous environment consisting of traditional OLTP data and Hadoop distributed file system. Data quality services can be used for ensuring data consistency by fixing things like typos. It can be used manually by a data steward, or it can also be automated by using integration services. It requires creation of a knowledge base, which acts as a database, and domains, which acts as fields or columns. We populate the knowledge base with typos and their possible fixes. SQL Server Data Tools allows implementation of integration services, analysis services, and reporting services. Integration services are used for implementing ETL operations. ETL, or extract, transform, and load, is essential for data warehouse creation. SSIS-based ETL packages can be automated by scheduling them in SQL Server Agent. Data warehousing is usually huge and complex. To improve the performance and simplify it, we create a data model which is optimized for analysis purposes. Data models can either be created by technical developers, that's known as OLAP cubes, or it can be created by power users, that's known as tabular data model. TDM is essentially the same as PowerPivot. The major difference is that TDM is hosted on a server, whereas PowerPivot is ad hoc and non-server based. There's lots of options for creating reports. One of the options is to use reporting services. Reporting services allows creation of both non-graphical and graphical reports. The major benefit of reporting services is utilization of spatial data for displaying maps with points of interest. Reports and reporting services can be created by technical developers by using Report Designer or Visual Studio, and power users can create reports by using Report Builder. Reports generated by reporting services can be exported to various file formats, like PDF, Word, or images. If SharePoint's available, then we can further extend the reporting capabilities by using PowerView and dashboards. PowerView is a web-based reporting option. It's a Silverlight plugin, and it's meant for power users. Reports created in PowerView can be exported to PowerPoint. It allows the use of filters and slicers. SharePoint Enterprise Edition provides performance point services, which allows power users to create dashboards. Dashboards are essentially multiple related web pages that display various components like Excel reports, SSRS reports, KPIs, analytical charts, analytical grids, and strategy maps. No HTML or ASP knowledge is required to create dashboard-based web pages. Analytical grids and charts allow various useful interactive operations like drill down and seeing the decomposition trees. Every dashboard ideally has a strategy map in place. Without a strategy map, the dashboard is less effective. Quite a few users are already familiar with MS Excel's built-in pivot table. Pivot tables can be very slow, especially when consuming huge amounts of data. To improve performance, we can use PowerPivot, which is an ad hoc way of creating a data model. To formalize it, organizations usually upload the PowerPivot-based data model to SharePoint so it can be consumed by other users. Excel 2013 also allows a new graphical way of creating reports, which is called PowerView. It supports various chart types. Scatter charts support animation. For instance, we can display breakdowns of data over periods of time in an animated way. Windows Azure is Microsoft's cloud-based solution. Primarily, it's infrastructure as a service, but it does offer additional benefits as well. For instance, it allows connecting to massively parallel processing data warehouses, also known as big data, via HD Insight. Office 365 is also Microsoft's cloud-based solution. Office 365 is software as a service, and it includes Microsoft Office Suite, Exchange Server, Active Directory, Lync, and SharePoint. Software as a service means we don't need to install anything on our local machine, but we can use any standard web browser on almost any device to use various services. Office 365 supports self-service BI via Power BI. Power BI offers natural query processing, which means Power users can search by writing human-friendly queries like show product sales by year. Power BI can consume both the public data and organizational data stored in the cloud. So there we have it. Microsoft offers a wide variety of tools for implementing end-to-end business intelligence, and these tools can be used both in-house and in a cloud-based environment.